Class 5th student, we continue this story. It's a part 3. Ruchi and Sona swung higher and higher. Now they both friends, Ruchi and Sona, enjoying the swings. They pretended to be birds flying high over the park, and they feel this thing that the birds are flying high over the park. Something shiny caught Ruchi's eyes from way over on the another side of the park. Means while they are swinging high and high, Ruchi's eyes see one more thing from the other side, which is just shiny like the before one. Look, said Ruchi. Then Ruchi said, look, I think there's a whole bunch of soda can in a pile over there by the basketball court. And then Ruchi said, I think that there is a whole bunch of soda can or a pile over there by basketball court. Means here at the nearby of the basketball court there is a pile of soda cans. Sona squinted. Squinted means look at something with half closed eyes. Means when we trying to see in the high intensity of light, so our eyes are partly closed automatically, so at that situation known as a squinted. So Sona squinted her eyes and pointed in another direction, and I see some kind of wrappers and plastic bags over there. Means on the another side Sona see that some plastic bags and papers also there. By the water fountain, means the nearby of the water fountain. Ruchi, let's get your wrappers. Let's get your grandfather's bag. Now Ruchi said, let's get your grandfather bag. Grandfather's से बैग लेके आते हैं. We can pick up all that stuff and help keep our park clean. Now they both thought that we have to pick all this garbage and keep our park clean. Ruchi jumped off the swing and skipped over the grandfather to ask him for the bag. Now Ruchi go for the grandfather and ask for that particular bag. We are going to clean up all the cans and plastic wrappers and other things that people left here, so the park is clean and beautiful. And now Ruchi said to grandfather that I want to clean that park so this will become clean and beautiful. Grandfather smiled as he handed over the bag. Now grandfather hand over the bag to the Ruchi. Go ahead girls and say, go ahead means go for this good deed. But be sure to wash your hands when you have finished. But grandfather says you have to surely know this, that after finishing this cleaning you have to wash your hands. Ruchi and Sona skipped off to clean up the park. Half an hour later they returned. They were exhausted. Means after half hour they are returning after cleaning that park. Now they are exhausted, means they are very tired, means the energy fully lost. What a mess, means how much dirty it is. If we are the only one picks up all the stuff that people leave here, we are never going to be able to clean it. We are never going to be able to clean it. Means if only we are only responsible to clean all that, so we are never going to be able to clean it. We are alone not do all the things at a single time. Since the park is a public property, everyone who use it need to help keep it clean and healthy, they said. Who said this? Sona and Ruchi all said that we alone are not responsible for cleaning that all that. All pupils who are use it, they are also help to clean that park. Thank you class. We continue in the next part.